Good morning from Chiang Mai. This is our second day here and this is our first destination for today's tour. This tour is bought from Klook. We're going to a temple here in Chiang Mai. And this is how it looks like. Temple in Chiang Mai. I think that's the one. This is how the view looks like up here in the temple of Chiang Mai. You can see the downtown area. And this is the back portion actually. We're here in the Karen tribe. They're also known as the Long Neck tribe. So yeah, we have our tour guide in here as well. We're here at the Karen Long Neck tribe in northern Thailand, which is in Chiang Mai. Foods. That's why she keep on dancing. So lovely.
Yeah, she bring more food.
Yeah. So cute this one. Keeps on dancing. Alright, I'll give you a food. Here you go. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you. Oh, look at that. The one in the middle is always dancing. This one. So cute. This is the entrance to the village. Oh, they are here. Hi. Walking around the village of Karen Village. There are about 30 family in here. They say it's only women because the man went for a job. Etong nilalagay nila sa neck is sinubukan ko. In fairness, mabigat siya at mahirap. We bought some souvenirs from here. I have a ref magnet. This one is 150. In front is 200. So you just walk. We're here. We're walking. We're almost we're halfway through here. They have the same merchandises, and there's like they say 30 family in here. So yes, it's quite hot now. Josh, Ben, it's Ben and Josh choosing some for our boss Jens. Actually, tipping is not mandatory. Ben is taking his time relaxing. I can hear some music. Just walking.
Pare-paras kasi binibenta nila.
Dapat nagbenta rin sila ng mga ano, no? Ng mga... Ay, punya maka! Nagbenta rin sila ng mga ano, no? Ng mga... Dapat nagbenta rin sila ng mga ano. Gusto ko rin ng ano. Dessert sana, no? Here, the Aka tribe is hard to find. Badiha. Badiha.
Wealthy. 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 You show how much silver you have in your head.
How many bells?
Bells show also pass to the generation.
This one here is a different tribe. This is the Aka tribe. They have different this one. Already the entire village of Karen and Akan tribe. And they have this like farm in here. Hey. that's the entire tour, and we're heading out to the exit. Exit and entrance is actually the same. That's it for our Karen Longneck video. Bye. Okay, we're gonna be at the King Cobra Chiang Mai.
This is a cobra and a king cobra.
The part of it, sana.
But anywhere you can see the poison in the show.
Oh, in the show, okay.
Yeah.
They're not
The
scared?
milk it, the milk.
Ah, okay.
Thai people we eat the meat. Northern, if you see this color,
Shoot,
is from
wow.
south. South of Thailand.
They're like waiting.
Yeah, they're from south, from Malaysia.
Oh, this one is poisonous,
Indonesia.
right? This is poisonous?
Yes.
We're here. We're going to check the snakes, but I don't really like snakes.
His name Tony. อันนี้น้องโทนี่มาลูกมาตัวขนาดนี้เรียก
Ikaw
น้อง
like Tony, no?
โทนี่นี่อ่ะ
Ben, okay.
อ่ะ you can go นี่เล่นกินเนี่ย your hand here นี่เลย
I'll just take a
This is every day and we have to feed it it can eat by its own
Wow.
so why it's friendly
Oh.
open your hand like this
Ay!
ธรรมดาโลกไม่จำ
Okay. It's okay. No need to touch.
Hello, Tony. Hi, Tony.
โทนี่ no ears
No ears, ah.
Okay. Bye, Tony.
โทนี่ไลท์เลดี้อ่ะ
BJ, don't.
Welcome to King Cobra Chiang Mai Show. This is Mr. Chicken. This is a poisonous cobra.
At dahil maaga kami natapos sa aming tour, nagpa siya ang aming tour guide or nagsuggest siya na pumunta kami dito sa King Cobra Chiang Mai Show. Ito ang isa sa mga highlights, kaya ang goal niya is i-kiss ang dalawang cobra na ito. At ang pangalawa naman, eto, kinuha niya yung cobra and then kukuha sila ng baso. Itong baso is empty ito. Pagkatapos niya ipakita na empty nga itong kanilang glass, ayan. Kinuha niya yung cobra tapos pinakagat siya sa may baso and after that is pinakita naman niya sa amin. Actually, hindi ko talaga siya maaninagan kasi nga sobrang hindi na ako nakakakita ng mga ganyan na details. Ayan. Kahit tingnan ko pa siya sa camera, hindi ko pa rin siya makita. But anyway, sinabi nila is meron daw yung venom na yan dyan. Tingnan nyo na lang kung nakikita nyo. This is the second snake. Itong snake na to is 7 years old na daw to.
Big. Oy, longan. That's so beautiful. So beautiful creature but so dangerous. Ah, look at that. Can
A young one is more aggressive than old one. Long time, 30 years, 40 years.
Ay, putik.
About 7 years old. But
Ah. Oh, jumping snake. Ganda oh. Wow! Wala. Ang ganda ng snake oh. Coconut snake, okay. Uy! Uy! Ay!
It's not poisonous snake.
Okay.
Jump a little bit.
Ay! Punya ako!
Catch it, catch
Oh.
it.
Ganun lang pala yun.
This don't eat.
Don't
We
eat.
don't eat snake. We love snake.
Sleeping really.
Ah. Now it's a lazy lah.
Oh. Oh, punya ni.
Oh, they were love.
Sleep. Ah. Nice.
Nah,
Ah.
let me jump parking.
Thank you. Guys, we're here at the wall in Chiang Mai.
Waka waka, era. Waka waka, era.
We just took our videos and photos. Like, look at that. They have a really cool photographers and videographers. They're really cool. They have a really good talent on taking photos with the pigeons and good work as well. Okay, that's how they do it. There's a lot of pigeons. Actually, you can do your own photo shoot without the help, but I did not regret paying 100 baht for those experienced photographers. Alright, this is the wall, the gate. This is the center of the Chiang Mai. I think for next time you can come here to Kuya. Kuya, this one Kuya. Kuya, he don't have any customers while the rest have on that side. So if you guys come here, you can help him.
At dito na nagtatapos ang aming huling araw dito sa Chiang Mai. Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dana Imama's channel. Bye!